I turned a boring shed into an epic home theater that included the Tuscany Theater Seats. But a few months ago, I decided to order the most expensive theater seats they make using Valencia Theater Seating's 3D visualizer by selecting every option imaginable. But would they actually make them for me? Before I show you the seats.
What?
Loading customizer. Hey, yo, Brandon.
Yes?
You gotta come check this thing out, man.
Okay. Oh, I hope he didn't realize I was sleeping. Hey, I was just testing the Valencia Theater Seats. What's up?
You gotta check out this 3D visualizer. Mo just let me know about this thing, and this 3D visualizer that they have now, literally you can customize every single option on here. I had to show you this.
Seriously?
So on Valencia Theater Seating's website, you can go to their 3D customizer for any one of their seats that they offer the customization on. And the first thing that I did was choose the layout and how many chairs I knew I was going to want for this row. In this case, it was going to be 4 chairs, 2 of them configured into a love seat. Then I went and selected the leather, and of course we're going with the most expensive, so I had to choose their Tuscany collection, which is actually Gruppo Mastrotto leather, which has been used in Prada, Louis Vuitton, Audi, Ferrari, and Lamborghinis.
What about that Louis Vuitton bag you brought?
So this is going to be the cream of the crop when it comes to the best leather that you can select for your seat. So had to go with those. Pricey, but I think it's going to be worth it. And then I wanted to go with a two-tone look, so rather than going with something really wild, I decided to go with the blackwood for the primary color. And then for the two-tone, I'm going to also choose the Tuscany, which is the Gruppo Mastrotto leather. And I chose the Note 2012, which is going to be close to a black, but have a little bit of blue tones in it. And then, of course, I had to add the solid red oak arms. I wanted to go with a satin finish and that ebony dark black look. And then I also wanted to go with the French diamond stitching and add the cross stitching and use the glistening gold, which you'll see will match the monogram later. And then another option that's awesome, I thought, was adding perforated leather to every single seat. It, again, pricey, $400 more here. We're adding to each seat, but I think that's really going to add another element of comfort. The piping, I decided to go with that Note, same Gruppo Mastrotto Tuscany collection per seat, just to give a little extra accent. And then you can do custom logos, text, whatever you want on here, but I wanted to do my ManShed logo, the M of the ManShed logo. Now you're going to send a file to Valencia Theater Seating after you place your order, so I'm just putting an M in here to illustrate it. And then of course we had to add the RGB LED lighting per seat. And the cool thing is on these seats you can actually select the colors after you get it. So there's 7 different colors, and then the black chrome for both the cup holder and the accessory holder. And then of course we've got to add those base shakers to every single seat, another $250 per seat. Add in the 5-year extended warranty just to make sure that anything goes wrong with these seats for 5 years, I'm totally covered. And we're not going to do curve, we're going to do straight because curve just wouldn't fit the layout of my theater, but we do need to add some accessories. They have some really cool accessories. These tray table accessories are amazing, so definitely need to get those. They fit perfectly into the armrest storage. Also need to get a couple of tablet iPhone holders, and let's do 1, maybe 2, maybe, okay, 3 wine glass caddies, because these rock. Grand total of $33,595. Add to cart. You might think that this is way overpriced, but I'm telling you, I've demoed several theater seats, and you get what you pay for in theater seats, and these are going to be worth every penny.
So what now?
We wait.
A few months later.
They did. They actually sent me the seats specific to the custom order that I placed. I cannot wait to get these out of the box. So I rushed them over to the theater and then remembered I need to take out the old seats first. So what I decided to do is move the front row to the back row because I had the XL Valencia Theater Seats in the front row. So I moved the back row out, did some vacuuming, then moved the front row to the back row, made sure that everything would come out nicely. The biggest life lesson I've learned being married for 10 years is that you always vacuum when you're moving furniture around. And this is me unwrapping the back plates. And this was the first time I got to see my custom logo on the seats. It was awesome seeing the embroidery on these seats. And then I proceeded to put each one of them in. They connect together so easily. This time-lapse video is not doing these seats justice at all. Let's fix that. after getting these Gruppo Mastrotto Valencia Theater custom seats installed, man, I gotta say the wow factor is off the chart. I've had some friends come over, we watched some movies, and they are blown away with the comfort, the quality, the craftsmanship of these custom seats. There's just something different about how this Gruppo Mastrotto leather looks and feels when you're using them. This leather and finish and the piping and the stitching on these seats, they just make such a bolder, stronger statement that these are high quality, high-end home theater seats. The comfort level has been amazing. I love the way that the leather feels. The perforated seats are a godsend when it comes to overheating in the seats for everybody. It just kind of keeps the temperature neutral as these seats breathe so much better. The premium look and feel of the cup holder accessories and the controls on these seats are also on another level. I love the black chrome look. It just has that high-end quality, polished, pristine look to it. Some of my favorite features of these seats is the color changing LEDs and the memory seats. Yes, memory seats. So I can program my seat to my reclined position, including the headrest, the lumbar support, the leg support and extension, all to my liking. Save that preset so when I go in to watch a movie, I can just push the button, sit down, and I am in business. I recommend that you guys head right on over to Valencia Theater Seating's website, play around with their 3D visualizer. Even if you aren't ready to purchase theater seats yet, just go ahead and play around with the customizer, the visualizer, put in your options, dream it, see it, make it happen. You guys will not be disappointed if you do custom Valencia Theater seats, especially if you go big and do that Gruppo Mastrotto leather. It's going to last you a lifetime and you're going to enjoy it every single time you put your butts in those theater seats. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. Until next time, Michael Mansell, I'm out.